Good morning. Stanley is in the village of Flamborough today. We're going to explore Flamborough Head shortly. You'll find Flamborough 4 miles north of Bridlington. Flamborough Lighthouse, a striking white tower that has stood watch over the North Sea since 1806. Good morning, Stanley. Are we ready for this walk? We're looking down at North Landing Beach. It's a beautiful expanse of sand, white pebbles and rock pools, and ideal for beachgoers and families. During low tide you can explore the caves along the shoreline. You'll find people kayaking and paddleboarding on lovely days too. North Landing Beach is also dog friendly, which is great if you want to take your dog for a splash in the sea. Wildlife is abundant here. You'll find thousands of seabirds including puffins, razorbills, kittiwakes and gannets. Depending on the time of year, on this particular area here that we're looking at, you can see seals bathing down here. This headland is a spectacular stretch of the coastline where the dramatic cliffs meet the rich wildlife, centuries of history and unforgettable sea views. It really is a fantastic area for a peaceful walk or just simply wildlife spotting. Yes, the lighthouse. It offers guided tours from Easter to October with some great panoramic views. That's if you can master its 119 steps. Stanley had an absolute blast exploring today. If you want to join us on our next seaside adventure and discover more dog-friendly coastal spots, hit that subscribe button. See you on the next beach. Bye.